Right, out for a woodland camp today with Mike. 120 litre burger and the dog. Gotta go back for the rucksack now. It's our first challenge of the day. Poppy's back out. I'm out with Mike. This is our crossing point, and it's all submerged, so shoes and socks off job. Go on, Mike. The wet trousers job. No. Right, they got Poppy across. Gotta go back for the rucksack now. Right, out for a woodland camp today with Mike. He's got a new tent to try out, the Nemo something or other. We'll have a look now. 1.1 kilos, ultralight tent. I've gone heavy, the 120 litre burger, all the luxuries. Poppy's recently had an operation, so I've got to bring a lot of extra stuff for that. But she's feeling good, doing well. The Nemo dragonfly. Ooh. Does look snug, mind, doesn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Just room for one.
But this
Smart, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, the cloud up didn't have the extra pole on the top. That gives you more room inside, it does, doesn't it?
Yeah, more headroom. It's not 40, so my laser can pass the game. Look at what to put on here.
Love this, it's psychedelic pattern, huh?
It's the new Osmo
Cool.
material.
Nice.
Used to not stretch as much, sag as much.
Right, and there's waterproof as well there, is it?
Yeah, buddy.
That in a bit is waterproof. Bit poking out.
That's the
Good
ground
airflow.
sheet I bought on arms on it.
Oh, this now.
Yeah, that's all waterproof, and then it goes start to mesh and like up to there.
Yeah, should have good airflow. Be a line up. Beavertown gamma ray. My potato salad has just exploded in the bag, so I've got a bit of extra goodness on them. Like double lazy Jane, beautiful Vault City strawberry fields. That's lovely too. Death by cherries, and then a strong one. Oh, so good to be back out in the woods. Feels like it's been ages. Last camp was 2 weeks ago with Sarah. Just a boys' camp tonight, just the two of us. Should get back to a bit of a bigger group next time, I think. Yeah. Nothing like a beaver town in the woods, is it? I'll be announcing the winner of the Idyllic baton at the end of this video as well, okay? So stay tuned for that. Thanks to everyone who entered. I'll be putting the names in a random picker. And we'll see who's won. There's a man giving it some vigorous action down here. Lumberjack at work. So I just sort of got snacky bits tonight. sticky rib pot noodle, some pork pies, egg crot, sardines, knobbies, nuts. Tarps up. Little fire down there somewhere now. Mike's getting the disco lights out. Right, all fat wood in there now. Should go up like a treat. This is Mike's new table.
Tight net.
That's can fits underneath left. Still on top.
Yeah, it's off the floor and well, the gas band there. It is.
It's us.
Party days.
That was looking tidy. You tried the rope swing of death. In your head, they are fighting. Treat that. Look at her. She prefers Mike. Always does, always will. It's a very stealthy camp. You wouldn't spot us, even if you were in the Marines or the SAS. No chance you would spot this stealth campsite. Mike's bugged that.
Hey, yeah. I can cut my door.
Can I see through it?
Yeah, I can see you. Can't drink.
Oh, see, Rolf Harris.
Rolf Harris.
Australia, man. The International Can Stamping Championship of the World has only got 2 competitors for this month. Is it going to be Adam or is it going to be Mike? For the July 2025 Can Stamping Championship of the World.
Death by cherries. Yes, have you. Whoa. Whoa. That's terrible. For the camera.
Well, there's only one judge now, isn't there?
I think
It's pretty rough, like. It's pretty
two?
rough. Yeah.
2 for that one.
No, maybe a 4.
Or 4.
Get that. Come on. What do we think, Ian?
I think 8, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I reckon 8, sir. 8.
Oh!
What was that?
No. Dear.
I'm not even showing you that one. That was a fail.
Oh, not very good. I'm gonna keep my foot here.
That's terrible again. Cheap cans it is. Aluminium's not the same anymore.
Come on. That's better.
Oh,
Oh yes.
9 that is. All day long. He's won. Well done, lad.
So that's the best of Mike's. And that's the best of mine. Votes below. Why is it going so out of focus, man? It's the smoke that's messing me up. Hit the sack. It's about 4 AM. To be honest, I don't know what time it is because we are on mountain time. Mountain time is different from civilization time, and whatever you're feeling at the time, that is what you should do. And right now we're feeling sleepy, so it could be 6 PM, it could be 6 AM. I don't know, but we're ready for bed, so catch you in the morning. Rain all through the night. Nice to sleep too, isn't it? There goes Mike. We've decided to go the overgrown way today. So, instead of getting wet in the river again. I didn't show this last night, but this poor girl who's had her operation brought a lovely sheepskin rug last night. Look at that. Living it up. We chopped way more wood than we needed, so I've left that there. Hopefully it's going to be me that uses it, but if someone else wants to, they can. Alright, just get this tent packed down now, and we're all sorted. There we go, left us found. Let's get out of this hellhole, Poppy. This is our route out. Mike's made a bit of a path for me. Cheers, Mike. Might need to carry her over these. Come on, where are you? Here she comes. I'm gonna have to pick you up, I think. 120 litre burger and a dog. It's easy. Whew. Nothing like a Sunday morning workout there. There you go. For the worst of it. Easy going now. Things we do for fun. Right, let's see who's won the O-like baton. All the names are in here from the people who entered. And it's Oscar Travis, 5740. Get in touch, mate, and I will send that to you.